Check this one out. Drip, 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 double barrel sausage barbecue. Cooked over charcoal. Drip tray both sides, so no flare up. Pretty cool, huh? Sausage Issan. That's a very hot job. It's a big barbecue. Normally they're only about half this long for this purpose. There's their sausage. You watch this. It's tied up with plastic string. Of course they take that off first. There's the finished product. Same idea again. He's got two. There they come. But they're only half as long. And no drip tray. He really wants to be in the video. Welcome to Thailand. You see the noodles sticking out the end? Glass noodles and ground pork. Oh, those are different, yeah? Oh, here we go, here we go. Two different ones he's doing. This is the one with the glass noodles. This is the other one that looks more like a hot dog. You really want to be in the video, huh? Very cool, huh? See their charcoal? It's an extruded charcoal made with rice hulls. I believe it's rice hulls. It's got a hole down the middle of it. It's shaped like a stop sign. $10 each. Not worth it in my opinion.